Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I hope you all have well understood our previous class. In the last class, we learned about wild animals. Today, I am going to tell you about farm animals. Children, do you know what is farm animals? Farm animal is the animal who live on farms. Let us check the farm animals.
Cow, sheep, horse, goat, pig, hen, dog, duck, donkey, cat, goose, rabbit,
Children, these are some farm animals. The cow, goat, sheep, horse, duck, goose, hen. They are very useful to us. From the cow and goat, we get milk, and egg from hen and duck. Children, you should include egg and milk in your daily diet. Children, do you know we get wool and meat from sheep, and the horse is very fast running animal. Okay, now let's listen a music. Are you ready?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
that's all for today. Hope you all enjoyed today's class. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.